One of my favorite ways to get my party started during the holidays is with the Holiday Blizzard. It's a delicious Mijenta cocktail that incorporates some ingredients that are very popular in the culinaries in Mexico, like Hoja Santa and chocolate. For that, I'm gonna use 1.5 ounces of Mijenta Blanco tequila, which is gonna give me the body and the texture for my cocktail. Smells delicious. And then I'm gonna incorporate some roasted coconut cream. It's easy to make it at home. You take coconut flakes, roast them in a pan, and then you add your coconut milk and adjust the flavor to your taste. Then a touch of cinnamon syrup to bring in the spice of our Holiday Blizzard. With that, I'm gonna go with some notes of chocolate. Chocolate is very important in this cocktail, although you don't see it, but you taste it and smell it. I'm gonna add 0.25 ounces of it. I have another ingredient that is one of my favorites. Growing up with soursop was incredible, and it brings that beautiful perfume and elegance to our cocktail. I'm gonna add 2 bar spoons of the pulp of it. Last but not least, I'm gonna use some Aztec chocolate bitters. We're gonna go ahead and give it a nice shake. Our glass with the Hoja Santa and crushed ice. There we have it. Now I'm gonna top it up with a bit more crushed ice, and there we have it, the Holiday Blizzard. Enjoy.